Omo see corn and pear oh, chai. I'm enjoying it in a local way, in the olden kitchen way. Watago? Yay! Oh, nke ahụrụ n'ọkụ. Kai, see combo. You don't enjoy am like this before. This one might be the sweetest. You dey roast am there, you dey chop am there. Chai, see sweetest. I dey enjoy am with my mom. I dey tell you. My mom say if you get corn, say hunger no go kpai you. If you get corn for house, hunger no go kpai you. See as e dey look. Let me show your corn na. You don sure. You see am, see enjoyment, excess enjoyment. I dey tell you, this one sweet pass. Very sweet. And this thing na